heading up to the Yorkshire Dales up in North Yorkshire to do some waterfall, bumpy road photography. And it's a bit overcast, but it's a mild 12 degrees, not bad for early June, I suppose. Actually, it's pretty rubbish because we've had a stunning April and May.
Yeah.
But we've needed a bit of rain, but it's not due to rain today. So we're just heading up across the M62 towards Leeds, and then we'll take the A1 north beyond Ripon, old haunting ground of mine, and we're going to start off at West Burton, which is where we find the Cauldron Falls and Aysgarth Falls, and then we're going to head west towards Aysgill Falls, and then we'll take the road down south towards Ribblesdale, try and do Hull Pot.
If we get time, because that's our longest walk, isn't it?
Yep.
It's 2 miles there, 2 miles back.
Ribblesdale and Hull Pot will be the 2 long walks, and then we've got Scalaba Falls and Stainforth before that. Scalaba Falls is our last one. So hopefully roughly 7 waterfalls today.
Yeah, as optimistic.
Yeah, see how we get on.
This is our first big outing since lockdown.
Yeah.
We haven't really, you have, I haven't because I've been working.
Yeah, I've been working from home.
Yeah, but you've had a couple of days off, haven't you?
Mm-hmm.
And managed to get out a little bit more when the weather was nice.
Yeah. So we'll see you when you're up there. So ciao for now.
Bye.
Hello. Here we are at Cauldron Falls. See it in the background there, in the village of West Burton. Not difficult to find, just follow the river. Got myself a wee brew down there, and just waiting for Madam to pack away. Got a tripod out, and then we'll be... Huh? Yep. And then we'll be heading off to Aysgill Falls, about 22 minutes away. It's our second one of the day. We got here about 11 into the Yorkshire Dales National Park, and we've done Aysgarth Falls, which is alright, a bit difficult to access, but you need a wide angle for that. So yeah, that was Cauldron Falls, and we'll check in later. See ya. Ribblesdale Viaduct,
Which we can see right now.
yes.
Clouds are moving in a bit. This is the path that you can see that we're just walking along back to the car. We have walked this way. You can't really see much more over the brow of the hill. But I would say it's about 2 miles there, 2 miles back. And where have we been to?
Correct. We went to Lower Force Gill. There is a higher Force Gill as well, but we looked at Lower Force Gill and it wasn't gushing, it was more of a dribble. So we didn't bother going any further. Perfect conditions though, it's about 12-13 degrees, hardly any wind.
Yes, it's lovely
Not
actually.
sunny and hot. So
Yeah, I had to strip off, not literally, but down a layer. So I layered up. But yeah, you can see it a bit more now. The viaduct. We literally just missed a train going over as well. Lots of wildlife around, which surprised us. Oh yeah, little birdie. Just hopping about. Very tame birds. Lots of people. Well, I say lots of people, considering again we're in lockdown. There were a few people out and about on this one. Not so much the other two we went to earlier, but yeah, a lot more people on this one.
yeah, we couldn't find Aysgill Force. So
No.
we poo-pooed that and carried straight onto the viaduct here.
Yeah, we spent quite a bit of time sort of looking for that one, but
Next stop is Hull Top, but again, it's
Hull
quite a
Pot?
big walk.
Hull Pot.
Pot or Top or something.
Hull Pot.
Right, and that's quite a long walk as well, so we'll have a shufty and a recce at that when we get there, and if not, we'll be on to Stainforth Waterfalls or Falls,
Yes.
and then Excalibur Falls.
Yeah. The pathway is quite good the whole way
Yeah.
to the waterfall and back again. It's kind of like this, and a few uneven little bits. This is Birdie again.
See that through there.
Followers. Yeah.
There's
Honestly,
we just saw
quite
a
a
train
long
go over, actually, didn't we?
I just said that. Yeah, literally,
Oh.
we were running down the hill.
Okay.
This Birdie is very tame. It was just prancing around in front of us. There we go. Hello. Right.
Okay.
Cool. Think that's it?
That's
Nothing
it.
more?
No.
See you in a bit.
Wow. Bit of a traffic jam.
Like bison.
I think we'll move to the side. Oh, damn, hey. Go on then.
Oh, where was? Pudgy. That's one way of sherding heap. Traditional way.
Sherding heap.
You know what I mean. Oh, it's been a long day. So, we have just hiked 2 miles.
Yeah.
Quite a lot of elevation gain for us, really. We was out of breath quite a lot.
Sorry, I'm eating a Twix.
It's alright. We need a bit of sugar. Just felt a bit wheezy. Yeah, so this is whole pot, whole spout, whole pot, and it's meant to be. I can see it.
Gushing.
That is meant to be gushing, as in gushing. So, disappointed, to say the least.
But it ain't.
Views are lovely. It's so still, perfect conditions. It's very muggy down, sort of at our start level.
Yeah.
But up here there was a little bit of a cooler breeze, and it was very welcome. Very welcome indeed. There's a couple of little ladies there, well, having lunch with a good old chinwag.
Yeah, I feel a bit
And,
bad breathing out my mouth.
Yes, we're a bit mouth breathers at the moment.
There's two little old deers over there, like, oh yeah.
Yeah, hiya. Sprightly little things, and we're like wheezing. So yeah, that's it. I'll just zoom in a little bit there. So that's what should be gushing. Yeah. Ah well, never mind.
We're glad we dragged all our camera equipment up here.
Yeah, I'm not even going to get it out. I'm just not.
Oh well, onwards or downwards.
So 2 miles back, but it's downhill, so we
Yeah.
should get back a lot quicker. And then I think we're going to have a brew in the car, and then we've got 2 more to do today, and they should be a bit better.
Pucker Waterfalls.
Yeah, we started off so well with the first 2. Got some water.
Yes.
Yeah, we started off so well with the first 2, and second 2, rubbish. Absolute rubbish. A minute ago, a sheep was just perched on the end of there. Very precarious, but they do like that position, so I didn't get bothered too much by ours. Anyway, I think that's it.
Aye.
We'll
Head back down.
a few
to
more minutes
Horton
sip, and then hike down to Horton. Horton what?
in Ribblesdale.
Horton in Ribblesdale. Well, it was quite nice. We got to park at the side of the road, so it's free. So
Yeah.
no car parking fees as well.
Cool.
So I would have been even more annoyed had we paid for car parking.
Oh yes.
Anyway, enough. See you later.
Ta-ta. Okay, so check it out. We are at Stainforth Waterfalls. Let me show you. Yeah. And I've not plugged in the microphone, so it might be difficult to hear us, but a lot happier here than we were at Hull Potts in Horton and Ribblesdale. Completely dry, for anybody who's been there before. Completely dry, 2 mile hike uphill. So we had a few choppy bars, watched the lambs, and then 2 mile hike back. But we come here, Madam drove across that tiny little bridge here in a big Volvo V60, so that was quite an event. But we're here now and it's nice. We've done some waterfall photography. Only one more to do today now, and that is Excalibur Falls. Or Falls. I think Excalibur Falls. So we're going to do that, and then a long trip back to Lincolnshire. So yeah, I'll leave it there for now. Enjoy.
Okay, we are videoing at
Scalaba Force Waterfall.
okay, not far from the car, room for parking for one car only. Are you ready for it? Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, might need to zoom in just a little bit of a smidge for that. There.
Bit of a dribble.
Yeah. Yeah, disappointing. The one that we did just before that, which was Stain Forth, really nice. Could have spent, well, we spent quite a few shots there. Here, set up, click, packed away within 5 minutes.
Rain in
Yeah.
April and May.
Yeah, so
yeah, that's the punishment we get. So, but worth coming out.
yes, beautiful views though.
Nice day out.
Have a
Nice Sunday.
little look. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, to say it's the weekend, it's not busy really. Not busy at all. But yeah, not far from the car, you can literally, that wall there is where the car is, the other side, it's a few steps. There is more walks, like it goes off into the wood a bit more, which it looks nice. But it's cooling down now. It's, yeah, definitely. So,
And drive home.
yeah, that's it. Long drive home, a nice day out. See you soon.